Good afternoon. Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Look what I've got. I've got a little play pretty here. Jaguar. Man, that is a tight ride. This is an F-Pace R Sport with 3-liter turbo all-wheel drive. Man, I love when the stitching's a different color. Multi-adjustable power seat. Let's take a little ride. This is, I believe, a 2020. The story goes on this, my ex-sister-in-law, which this is her house. Yes, my brother's ex-wife. This is her loaner vehicle. A loaner vehicle she got with 20 miles on it. And it now has 6,270. She's put all 6,200 and something miles on a loaner vehicle, y'all. She has, gosh, I don't know what year it is, but it's like a 2017 or 18 Range Rover. Not a Range Rover Sport, not a Range Rover Evoque, not a, a Range Rover. The big mother, like HSE, I think it's called. 5-liter supercharged V8. Anyway, it's been in the shop for a faulty seatbelt and warning light, airbag warning light, something like that. It's been there for 2 months because the parts are on back order. So they gave her a brand new F-Pace Jaguar as a loaner vehicle. And she's put 6,200 plus miles on it. It is a sharp little ride, man. Check out this Alcantara. Man, that is nice. And it's got the big pano roof, which my thoughts on pano roofs are not very positive since my Volkswagen experience. Oh yeah, we got all our lane keep, heated steering wheel. I'm sure it's got adaptive cruise. Bluetooth and phone, like the little R Sport badge. Got a very narrow, it's skinny, but it's wide, not very tall. Let's see what this thing sounds like. It says 3.0T on the back, but I must say it sounds like a 4-cylinder. It sounds just like a 4-cylinder. What is it, a 3-liter 4? That sure would be a big-ass 4-cylinder. And we've got the Meridian sound system. Those sound so good, y'all. What is under the hood of this thing? That's a 4-cylinder. Has to be. Yeah. That is an inline 4. There's your turbocharger. Is it a 3-liter inline 4? Wow. You can hear the direct injection kicking away down there. I figured it'd be a 6-cylinder. I guess not. Okay. Try that again. Back seat. Looks a little claustrophobic. Sorry, phone call cut me off. I wanted to see this again. Cool. Hello, sign into your account. What do you gotta do? Have an account to use the nav? Okay, so we'll select reverse. Nice little backup camera there. Alright, almost backed into my minivan, the Quest. Move that over to drive. Yep. Measly little 4-cylinder. Now, I will say, first impression right off the bat is this is a solid little chunk. Solid little chunk. Good old stopping, what is that called? I forget. What is that called where the engine dies at a stop and go? I can't remember. Anyway, yeah, it's a peppy little car. Wow. And it feels good. Gosh, it feels tight. I love the steering wheel. It's got the nice little grips here at what was that, 10 and 2. It's small. It's a pretty small steering wheel. Yeah, this would be an awesome car. I can already tell you this car would be awesome if it had an optional 6-cylinder or V8, which I'm sure it does. I'm sure this is just kind of your baseline model. Got nice little climate control here. Yeah, that stop-start that's annoying. Just because you can hear it. You know? Now, I'm sure you can turn it off. I'm sure there's a setting right here where I can turn it off. Let's dig around here. That may be it right there. Yeah. Auto stop start off. Okay, so we got rid of that. Let's take this thing for a little drive. I'll see if I can't get it out here on the interstate. So, got two very nice, clear instruments, and then you've got a digital speedometer in the center. We're low on washer fluid. But man, this thing, you sit low in it. It's like, I feel like I'm in a bathtub. And the roof is, this is definitely a sporty SUV. The hood is very high, but this thing is extremely comfortable. The seat, oh man, I have found some adjustments here on the side that are just phenomenal. All right, I'll get back to you when we get out of the sunlight here. Now that, folks, is a big-ass nav screen. I mean, that thing is huge. Not very tall, but I like the width. Since they couldn't make it tall, they made it extra wide, and I do like that. Railroad tracks. Right. Ah. Nice. Solid. got some little metal paddle shifters right here. So it's a sporty number. That was 50% throttle. Very peppy, very peppy.